So today we're gonna be doing lesson 24. So the first problem says simplify the following expressions until they are in their simplest form. So for number one, what I'm gonna do is distribute because you can't combine any like terms inside the parentheses. So it'll be 6p plus 14. And that'll be it. For this one, it'll be 24tr plus 42t. For this one, you can take out r squared. So I'm gonna do r squared 3 plus 4s minus 7. We can do negative 7 plus 3, and it'll be r squared is equal to 4s minus 4. And then you can take out another 4. It'll be 4r squared and a s minus 1. Right here, you can do group factoring, which means study for well we have okay, so we have these two and then these two which are like terms, so we'll have 5q u plus 9u plus 13q, and that'll be it. This one you can take out b, so it'll be 2b squared plus 7r minus 5b squared. It'll have b and then negative 3b squared plus 7r. For here, I can distribute the x, but first I want to do 7x plus, and then 28x squared y plus 24x squared. That's it. And yeah. And then for this one, it says figure out the volume of the following rectangular prisms. So in order to find the volume, it'll be length times width times height. So I'm just going to multiply all three of these numbers. So 12 times 5 is 60, times 3 is 180. So 180 inches cubed though. For this one, 20 times 8 will be 160 times 13. 2080 inches cubed. So you just have to multiply everything basically. This one, 4 times 10, 40 times 3 is 120 inches cubed. This one will be, I'm gonna turn this into decimal, which will be 5 over 2. And then this one would be, no, we can just multiply, okay, into an improper fraction, I mean. And then 15 over 2. So 15 over 2 times 5 over 2 times 4 over 1, 2. And that would be 30 over 2, 15 times 5, which is 5 to 75. 75 inches cubed. For this one, 180 times 6, 0, 8,000. 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/4, we'll get 4, and then 4, so it's 1 over 16 inches cubed. Then it says, Ashton raises chickens in his backyard. Altogether, he has 17 hens that each lay eggs every Monday and Tuesday. There are 8 eggs that lay on Monday, and each of them lay 3 eggs. If Ashton's hen lays 42 eggs in total per week, how many eggs does each of the hens that lay eggs on Tuesday lay? So 17 hens that each lay eggs on Monday and Tuesday. There are 8 hens that lay Monday, and each of them lay 3 eggs. So on Monday, 8 of them uh 3 eggs. And then Ashton's has like 42 eggs in total per week. Okay. So it's asked. So for Monday, it says 8 of them lay 3 eggs. So 8 times 3 will be 24 on Monday, and then 24. So I'm gonna subtract from the total amount of eggs. So it'll be 18, and 18 divided by 17 for Tuesday, and that'll be 1 point something. So we can use 2. It says Winona takes 400 steps to get from her house to her school. From her first period class to her second, she takes 70 steps. First to second, she takes 70. Then she takes 12 to get from second to third. From there, every class until her seventh is 10 more steps than how many it took from the previous. How many steps does she walk? So 400, and then first period to her second period 70, and then she takes 20 to her third. So and it 10 more steps than the previous one. So if it's 20 on second one to third, third to fourth would be 30, fourth to fifth would be 40, fifth to sixth would be 50, and then 6 to 7 would be 60 because you're adding 10 each. That's what it says. So adding all these up together, we'll get 7, 10, 10, so 27, and 6, plus the back, which would be this